If you've ever opened a shed plan, bought the wood, started cutting, and then got completely stuck, this video is for you. Ryan Shed Plans is designed to take the confusion out of shed building, even if you're a first-time DIYer. Most shed plans online aren't written by real woodworkers. They skip steps, show only one angle, or use vague measurements that leave you guessing and wasting lumber, time, and patience. Ryan Henderson, a professional craftsman and shed master, took everything he learned from teaching beginners and turned it into over 12,000 perfect shed plans. Clear, complete, and designed to actually be built in the real world. The core promise is simple. Give you shed plans that are so detailed and easy to follow that your shed feels like it's clicking together step by step, instead of you constantly asking, what now? Each plan includes 3D drawings from multiple angles, Lego-style step-by-step instructions, and clearly labeled diagrams, so you always know what each piece is, where it goes, and how it should look before you attach it. You also get complete cutting and materials lists for every shed. That means fewer surprise trips to the store, less waste, and a clearer budget, because you buy exactly what you need when you need it. Inside the library, you'll find classic barns, garden sheds, storage sheds, and sleek modern outbuildings, plus all the main roof types: gable, gambrel, hip, salt box, flat, and more, so you can match your yard and your skill level. Ryan Shed Plans is ideal for homeowners, weekend DIYers, and even experienced woodworkers who want solid plans without reinventing the wheel. If you can follow basic instructions and use tools safely, these plans are made for you. This isn't a replacement for common sense safety, local building codes, or professional engineering. You're still responsible for working safely, checking permit requirements, and making sure your shed meets local standards. The plans are guidance, not legal or structural certification. The process is simple. Choose a shed from the online library, download the plan, print the cutting and materials lists, then follow the step-by-step instructions as you frame, sheath, and finish your shed at your own pace. And if you can't find exactly what you want, there's a "we have it" or "we'll get it" guarantee. Send your dimensions and basic needs, and the team will draft a custom plan for you, so you're not left searching forever. On top of the shed plans, you also get 4 bonuses: advanced woodworking tips, the Magic Modifications worksheet to resize sheds, a directory of suppliers for tools and lumber, and 400 additional woodworking plans for other projects. Normally, a set of detailed architectural plans or a pre-built shed can run into the hundreds or thousands. Ryan's collection is offered at a much lower one-time cost, especially compared to hiring a designer or buying a prefab kit, but it still requires your time, tools, and effort. To make it easier to try, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you explore the plans and don't feel they're the clearest, most useful shed plans you've used, you can ask for a full refund within 2 months. In plain English, these plans don't guarantee a perfect shed, specific savings, or compliance with your local codes. Your results depend on your skills, tools, site conditions, and whether you follow safety rules and local regulations. Think of Ryan Shed Plans as a detailed roadmap. You still drive the build. If you like the idea of having over 12,000 shed plans, full cutting lists, and step-by-step instructions ready whenever you are, go to the official Ryan Shed Plans website, review the details and guarantee, and decide if this toolkit belongs in your DIY arsenal. Start with one shed, follow the steps, and see what you can build.